Here we have the Marc Darcy suit up close. So they do some nice touches on the buttons. Button here with a pocket square. This one's a nice loud check. One we are working on for a gentleman called Dean Overson. He's a gent who's been on X on the Beach, which is a program over here in the UK, which is popular. And he's going to some events, so he wanted it just tailoring in. So we've just tailored in the body there slightly for him. We've made the sleeve slightly more tapered for him. He's a slim lad, and he wanted it just that nice slim fit. Internally they finish it off nicely with the lining. The fabric it's made from is it's a 70% polyester and 30% viscose. So obviously that's where they're keeping their production costs down versus using wool. If they're using wool, I would imagine it would be at least double this price, maybe even a smidge more. So there you have it. If you want a suit that looks a little bit different without blowing the budget, check out Marc Darcy. This is their Magnum suit. There you have it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you found it informative.